Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today now I'm going to be trying to fit some new hinges from OPTIMILL. Got a set of these hinges for my Defender along with some mirror arms, and these ones have got the LED puddle lights in them. These are something else. These are absolutely brilliantly made, really well made. So I need to fit these up. So first thing I'm going to do is take the door card off. I've got to take the old hinges off, take the bolts out, give everything a bit of a clean up. Right, so all this has got to come off. Door handles, door latch. I'm going to pop all these little trim clips off. So basically when I pull this off, give it a clean behind, and then I'm going to soundproof it. Got some soundproofing pads to go in, and then hopefully get these off, do one hinge at a time, get them off to fit these. So we always break a few clips, and a few clips always seem to be left behind. So pop them out. I always carry spares of these anyway, especially if you're doing a job like this. Next job now is to take all this off and soundproof inside. Yeah, so these always have a habit of breaking or snapping, and these peg surrounds as well. But that seems to be okay, so doesn't look like I need to buy another one of them. Yeah, but these can be a bit of a bitch to get off, to be honest with you. Tinny, isn't he? You hear that? So we're gonna soundproof all in here. What's in here? Bits of trim, bits of clips, more crap. Right, so just a bit of brake cleaner, clean some of this up, cloth. At some point, like I said, I probably soundproof this, but it's not very good. I think I just used offcut, so I've got myself a couple of these sheets like I did on the other side. So I'll stick these on here, all the way through and all the way up, and see how we get on. Right, so I've just finished soundproofing. That's a hell of a lot better, isn't it? Managed to get up in here as well. I did put a bit on this as well, because this rattles a little bit. But yeah, I've waxed oil all this, greased all the electric window parts. But yeah, it's a lot better. Yeah, because if you know Defenders, the doors ain't the best. But yeah, that should help. Like I say, I did have a few squares on here, a few this soundproofing stuff, the silent coat stuff. Is what I had left over from when I done the back of the 90. But I thought, because I got to take these hinges off and everything else, I may as well soundproof this properly. But yeah, it sounds a lot better as well. See, there we are. There we are. Shuts good as well. Right, next job. Remove these. I think I might take the top hinge off first. I've done the other side and I've done the bottom hinge first, but I think I'll start on this one here because it's quite a bit of faffing around trying to get that lined up. So the next job is to undo these 13mm bolts. Just going to do the top hinge first. Get them off. Oh, also got my my DJI camera. I might do a bit of time lapse, see how it goes, see how it looks. Right, let's get that hinge off. There we go. One hinge removed. The old copper grease on there, a bit of wax oil and God knows what. Right, let's have a look at this then. So the next job now is to take these spire clips off. I've got new ones which I bought, so we'll do that next. Right, so I just wanted to show you the difference between the hinges I had on there and the OPTIMILL one. So they've got a hole drilled here, but not just any old hole. It's just drilled on an angle for the cable for the puddle light. So I didn't really want to destroy these basically by drilling them, and it wouldn't have been straightforward, just drill straight through there and out the other end. That's sort of tapered in on a slight angle, that one, on the OPTIMILL one. So yeah, these, there's nothing wrong with these. I might keep or sell them on eBay or something. I'll let you know later on. Yeah. So these are going on, and yeah, they look really smart looking at them. Right, let's get on with it. So the next job now is give it a bit of a clean up. Plenty of wax oil in, yeah, with this stuff. I normally have some AC50, but I haven't got any. Clips I took out weren't too bad, but they're just covered in wax oil, which is not a bad thing. But I bought new clips, so we'll be fitting them. What I found when I done these last time, these clips, is that I couldn't get them on, so I just had to open them up. Just have to open them up slightly a bit, and what you'll find, these will fall inside. So I'm up a little bit and see if I can get them on. So well, look. There you go. To use this little template to drill, so I got myself a bit of masking tape. So I'm going to mask this area off first, find out where I need to drill it, do a little pilot hole, and then hopefully things will line up. Right, that's masked off, so I just need to find out where the holes are for. I use this drill bit, I think. Got one there, one there. So see, these are the holes for your screws to go in. And what you get this little gasket. So basically line that up like so. So we'll line it up about there. Looks alright to me. Bit of a pencil mark. So the last thing you want to do is drill in the wrong place. So that's that. The old drill is out. Here we go. So that's all I'm drilling at the moment. Reason being is, you've got the outer skin of the door and you've got an inner skin as well, so you've got to drill right through. But what you've got to bear in mind is you've got your dash behind you, because the last thing I want to do is put the drill straight through and then into the dash as well. So I'll do that next. Better safe than sorry. Right, so before I start drilling that any further, I decided to get a bit of plywood and wedge it in with a cloth, because you've got to drill right through this door skin and the other, and obviously then your dash is so close, so if you've got a 200 or a 300 TDI or a Td5 or a Puma, your dash is going to be close. Same on all Defenders. So if you're going to be doing this job, just bear in mind that you've got to drill this hole for your cable, and if you go too far you're going to end up drilling your dash. So just wedge something like a bit of timber in there or something like that, and just got a rag there just to keep it in place. So let's get drilling. There you go, all the way through. Let's have a look. So I just got to deburr this. That's a bit sharp. So run a file in there. Let's take this bit of wood out. So if you look, see what I said? I actually went through. So just bear in mind when you're doing this job, if you're going to be fitting these OPTIMILL LED puddle lights, you need to drill your door, obviously. 2 skins on the door, wedge something in between. So yeah, you can see I got a little bit carried away. Didn't go all the way through, but nearly did. Right, I'm going to deburr this now and paint it, and then you'll probably see me sort of trying to fit the hinges next. Right, so the hinge is on this side. So the next job to do now is to feed this wire through here, out the other side, into the door. So that's what we need to do. So we need to put this through. So I might turn it so I can see myself. There you go. What I might do is just put a bit of spray on it. That's better. Through there first. And also make sure you put your gaskets on. They come with gaskets, so I've already done that one. So like the one I done yesterday, I forgot to put that on after I bolted it all up. So it's just little things like that. So the moment of truth, we're going to get this in there. Hopefully my drilling is right. Seems to be. This in. What I might do is just put a little bit of grease around that. Won't harm. So I painted all these up earlier and deburred that hole after I drilled it. Put that in there. That will sit on there. And hopefully, yeah, that's fine. So what I gotta do now is, it's a little bit tricky now, is open the door and put the bolts, put these on the inside. So obviously you can't get these hinges off unless you have the door open. So I probably won't film that because it's just a bit of a ball ache to get the camera in there, but yeah, get that in there. Just needs pushing through. This is where I could do with a hand now. If somebody holding the door up while I put the bolts through the other end, but I'm on my own doing this, so it's not a hard job. It's just a little bit fiddly, and of course things take a little bit longer because you're filming as well. But that's gone in lovely, that has. That's spot on. Got them on. Just got to line them up a bit better because the door's not shut in. It's catching a bit because I haven't done the bottom hinge yet. But that's where the cable comes through. So I'm going to put a bit of split conduit in there just to stop that from rubbing around. Yeah, so I've got them on. A bit of a struggle to get them on your own. I've just got to adjust them up a little bit, so fine bit of tweaking, but they're on. So there you go. Top one's on. And the bottom one. Also got to give it a clean up. I think I need to adjust them because the door's not shut in right, so it's a bit of faffing. Just put a bit of split conduit on there that I had, so I make a start on wiring these up. So this side's done. I got to adjust this door as well. This door needs adjusting on this one a little bit, but yeah, that's all done. And they look nice in black. I'm really pleased with them. They look alright. So the only thing I need to get these LEDs lit up. That's it for this video. Next time you'll see me is the wiring up of the puddle lights from OPTIMILL. Thanks for watching. Did you see the size of that bloody thing? Or did you hear it?